What's happening at Crypto Fam? Happy Tuesday. Good morning and welcome back to Love for Crypto. I'm Scott. It's a pleasure to have you here. I appreciate you taking the time out to consume the content, so thank you. Hey, summer's coming, man. It's like 25 past 6 in the morning and it's bright as anything. Love it. This morning we're talking Ripple and the SEC, baby. I've seen two headlines today. Let me read the headlines. SEC, I mean, they're not from today, they're from last night, a day ago. I saw them last night, I'm going to read them today. SEC files another extension in Ripple case, leaving XRP to tread water. So they filed an extension. Interesting. Another headline, surprising development in the XRP lawsuit as the SEC decides to end discovery phase with Ripple. That's Jeremy Hogan. So at first, we're gonna go and see what the extension's all about. What extension have they filed for? And I just started literally reading it, and it says the SEC seeks for more time to contest unfavorable judge rulings. So basically, a judge made a decision they didn't like. They got a certain time to contest, appeal, whatever you want to say, and they want an extension. It's absolutely fascinating. It's absolutely fascinating how long this has actually dragged on for, man. It's absolutely fucking ridiculous, if we're having it right. The SEC has filed a request for an extension of time to file its objection to Magistrate Judge Netburn's ruling on the motion for reconsideration of the DPP ruling. The SEC is raising new privilege assertions. That's James K. Phelan. Follow the link in description, follow the tweets. There's absolutely loads on this. Phelan went further by tweeting, the SEC says that the defendants are preparing to proceed to summary judgment without ruling on the Hinman emails and documents. For the SEC, the Hinman emails and documents are a concern, and the latest extension request illustrates how important it will be for the SEC to exclude some or all of the content from the court. Excluding content from the court and all that, when they say we're not giving our books up, if they say we're not giving this information and we're not being transparent about this, that, and that, well, I'm sorry, but you ain't getting Ripple's fucking books either, then, mate. That's how I would stand and how I would feel about that. It's how I do feel about it. Listen, nil to pay, dickhead, till I can see yours, and that's it. That's me for the rest of me fucking life, mate. For the rest of me fucking life, my books are balanced, mate, until you show me everything Boris Johnson spends, until I see everything every politician spends, until I see every penny that drips into the NHS and I see what it's fucking spent on, from fucking brooms to mops to syringes to new fucking hearts grown in fucking labs. I want transparency. We want transparency. That's fucking fair, yeah? You want to talk about unfavourable decisions? Well, you can suck a fucking dick just because you didn't fucking like it and you felt it favoured someone else. No, it's fair to either open up all your books, both of you, or just shut the fuck up and go away. Just shut the fuck up and go away. We don't fucking need you. No one needs the SEC. Fuck off. Fuck off. I don't fucking need you, and I'm pretty sure that half of America don't fucking need you. So literally, fuck off. Anywho, apparently for the SEC, the Hinman emails and documents are a concern, and the latest extension request illustrates how important it will be for the SEC to exclude some or all of the content from the court. I mean, we've said, like, how important it will be for the SEC to exclude some or all content from. You can't just let that. Like, that don't sit well with me. Am I missing the terminology or something? The SEC is requesting an extension of the deadline to file an objection to Judge Netburn's orders dated January 13, 2022 and April 11, 2022. Its second extension request for the January 13 opinion order. On April 11th, Sarah Netburn denied a motion for the courts to reconsider a ruling relating to a famous 2018 Hinman speech. Hinman said that Bitcoin and Ethereum were not securities. On Friday. Falan also shared. So just because he fucking said it, is that fucking law? Hey, law and regulation now. I mean, Jesus fucking Christ. That's not how we write in new laws, regs, and legislation, is it? Is it? Someone just fucking says it, and then oh shit, paperwork just spontaneously appeared on someone's fucking desk. Signed, sealed, delivered, done. New law, new regs. Like, what the fuck's got with people talking out of fucking ass? You can't. I don't give a. No. Just because the president says something on telly, I don't mean he signed the fucking bill. Wait till you see him sign the fucking bill, then the bill's signed. If he's someone's on telly and says, I'm going to sign a bill, it doesn't mean he signed it. It means he's going to fucking sign it. Jesus wept me. I've had enough of that. That's just going to piss me off. What's the surprising development? Is it the same shit? Let's have a look. Surprising development in the XRP lawsuit as SEC decides to end discovery phase of Ripple. Links in description if you want to just read it yourself. A popular returner who tracked and analysed in the US Securities and Exchange Commission lawsuit with Ripple says that the top regulator has made an unexpected decision in their suit. Now, this is Jeremy Hogan. I told you all to follow his YouTube if you actually want to follow the case with someone who knows the terminology, the lingo, the ins and outs of it, the mechanics. I fucking don't. I'm just reading articles and giving me opinion on what I read. This guy knows what he's talking about a lot more than me, which is why I said go to his if you want to know what's happening. Every now and then I will share what he shares. Or someone else will pick up what he shares and it'll just become fucking news. So the SEC sued Ripple in late 2020 under allegations that the payments firm sold XRP as an unregistered security. Attorney Jeremy Hogan says that he couldn't be more surprised by the SEC's decision to end its discovery process, which is the point in a lawsuit where both parties exchange information otherwise not known or readily available. Almost nothing would have surprised me more than this. And yes, this is a very good thing. The only remaining areas of delay are the appeal regarding the Hinman emails and in general just scheduling. Extremely interesting. SEC discovery is complete. It's a big step forward. The Hinman emails that Hogan's referring to involve documents relating to former SEC Director William Hinman, who Ripple alleges had a conflict of interest during his involvement in the beginning stages of the lawsuit. Hinman also made a speech in late 2018 in which he stated Ethereum was not a security. Again, did he say, I don't think Ethereum's a security? Did he say, I think Ethereum's not a security. Ethereum is not a security in my opinion. I've just signed a fucking bill that makes Ethereum a security. You know, there's a... just because he fucking said Ethereum is a security in a fucking sentence, and you've not even given me the full fucking sentence and quote, fuck you. I don't give a shit. Just because he said it doesn't mean it. You people can't take that to the fucking bank. Fuck that. So at the same time, the SEC has requested more time to file its objection against Judge Sarah Network's decision to overrule the regulator's request to negate Hinman's speech as evidence. Hogan says the move unveils the SEC's strategy to delay at all costs. The SEC is 100% in the hurt locker now, and the only relief is to delay, or take it on the fucking chin, put your little dick away, and fuck off. fucking 1933. Get the fuck out of here with your act. We need a Securities and Digital Asset Act of 2025. Someone fucking write it. Let's all fucking sign it by 2025 and let's all fucking move on. Because I'm fucking sick of this bullshit. Laws and regulations from a time before we even had TVs. You know what I'm saying? That's fucking ridiculous. They are like always is the fundamentals for a decentralized autonomous organization and how the mechanics of that's gonna work in the SEC's fucking May 1933. So the regulator had previously argued that Hinman's speech was his personal opinion. Now Hogan says the SEC is switching up its position. If the SEC can't even get it straight whether the speech was his personal opinion or perhaps the entire division's guidance, and they can't even get it straight in a legal pleading with lots of forethought put into it, how the heck was Ripple supposed to know? That's a good point. That's a good point. Regardless of whether it's his opinion or official. If you officially ask the SEC and they turn around and say, oh, well, we don't know, we think it was probably just his opinion, it won't really, like, we've not really fucking signed any fucking new regs or legislation, really. No, it don't look, not really good, that, is it? The SEC can't even answer simple fucking questions when, was that his opinion or is that the official fucking stance? How's Ripple supposed to know if Ethereum is a security, is an actual security, or if that's just his opinion that he thinks it's not a security? We read in the past countless letters going from Ripple to all over the place. The UK Treasury, the Australian fucking government, American, you fucking name it. They sent out a fucking letter about XRP, about XRPL, about the plan, about the Internet of Value, about moving money as fast and as cheaply as information moves today. It fucking all went out there. If the SEC had anything to fucking say about it, where the fuck were they in 2015 when them letters were going out? Where the fuck were you in 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019? I mean, why wait till 2020? It made no fucking sense. There's no logic behind it except for there are a bunch of fucking twats that wanted to hold it back. And not just XRP, they wanted to hold the full fucking market back. So fuck them. Fuck them. Gotta be over by the end of this summer, hasn't it? Surely it's over by the end of this summer. And yeah, I still expect it to be over $1 when it ends. But let me know what you think in the comments. Are you sick of it? Have you fucking had enough? Are you sick of hearing about it? Do you just want it to be over? Do you think it does end? Does it end with Ripple? Does it end with Ripple, or does this only regulate and sort out a small fraction of the market, and everyone else is like, oh shit, well then what the fucking hell do we do? Guys, this could legitimately just bring regulation for proof of consensus and validation, and you proof of work and proof of staking is just left out to fucking dry. Like, you can't just say a Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP securities. They're 3 different assets on 3 different networks that work completely differently. Ethereum, we know the story there. POW, PO State 2.0. I seen a Vitalik thing, FaceApp Vitalik looking about fucking 65, and the caption's just like 2.0 finally dropped. But you know what I mean? Proof of work, proof of stake, proof of consensus. They're different. they're different. Now, the SEC may see it different as in, oh, well, it just depends on the underlying organisation above it. Is it a company? Are these shares? Are they blah, blah, bish, bash, bosh? And it's up to the IRS to go for any miners' profits. Don't really give a shit about miners' profits or stakers' profits. That's up to the fucking IRS. We care more about purchase of assets, shares, stocks, bonds, and securities. It's fast. Let me know what you think's going to happen after, like, proof of consensus validation gets its fucking regulations. What then? Have we got another mountain to climb to get the rest of the asset class regulated properly, accepted? Is that when we start snowballing into true innovation and adoption? Where are we on the actual adoption curve, do you think? Because it's barely been adopted yet. It's barely even got off the fucking ground. I think we'll be truly on the... We're going to hit the adoption, the top of that S as it starts being the midpoint of the S on an adoption curve. We're going to hit that between 2025 and 2030. And 2030 onwards, mate, we always said that. Just give it to between 2025, 2030 or longer, and it's going to be a completely different fucking world. And it really is. It really is. It might not look it right on the face of it at first, but it fucking is. Tottenham Hotspur fans, 10 years ago, go to the match with cash. You fucking can't now. Cashless stadium for the last 3 years or some shit. So the world is changing, slowly but surely. And on that note, you know what to do. Invest in yourself, invest in internet of value, live long and hodl it all, never let it go, mate. Yeah, get it staked, get it baked, look after that pot till it looks after you. Yeah, wishing health and happiness to you and yours. Enjoy your week, hope you had a great bank holiday weekend. Keep grinding, chase that happiness. Yeah, we love crypto, we love XRP, we love Hogan, baby. Go and subscribe to his YouTube, subscribe to us, like, share, and smile. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.